you sat there and talked to the man. I mean,
you got to talk to everybody. It doesn't matter if they got tattoos all over the face.
No, I don't care about the tattoos.
Stunk. You got to... I mean, this is a retail store, man. Only one thing matters. Greenbacks.
Like this?
Yep.
Go pull up that checklist.
When you're dealing with gamers, you're going to deal with all sorts of stuff, man.
Straight up, man. Nothing to do with that. I don't see facial piercing in there. It had nothing to do with that. It had to do with the aroma.
He's from Gainesville.
Straight out of the chicken plant.
I don't think they got plumbing up there yet.
This septic tank's a hole in the backyard.
Ding, 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 ding. Baby, I'm going to the outhouse. I'll be back.
You know what's funny about this? We're from Alabama.
Oh, wow.
Chad and I are from Alabama. Like,
ooh, got a good woman.
Oh, yeah?
Natalie Dormer.
Natalie Portman?
Yeah,
Natalie Dormer.
No, Natalie, not Portman, Dormer.
Oh,
Evan got excited.
I'm keeping that one.
Evan don't keep none.
He does.
Jackie Robinson.
They're not dark enough for him to keep. Loretta Scott King. What else you got? You got
Coretta.
Who?
Coretta.
Sure.
Oh, here.
Who's the woman on the back of the bus? You got her auto, don't you?
Come on, man.
Rosa. What's her name?
Come on, man.
Rosa something. I don't remember her last name.
Bubba Sparks.
I know it was something. I knew she was on the back of the bus, boss. So, I mean, I got the gist of the situation.
You might get a foil set out of all this.
Yeah, I did out of the last case.
Oh, this is the second case?
Yeah. I need a Peter Dinkler.
Peter Dinkler.
I need a Dinkler.
That's where the dirt
I need a Bob and Dinkler.
Maybe Dinkler is Peter.
Yeah. Not even Dinkler is Peter. Why didn't he ever do
autograph of Conan Stevens, the Barbarian.
Not who we're looking for.